Hello everyone, my name is Igor, and I have been trading binary options for over 11 years. Today, I will show you my trading process. We'll be trading with the broker Quotex using support and resistance levels on a clean chart. The expiration time is 5 minutes, and the trade amount is $25. Let's get started with market analysis and see where we can open trades and make a profit. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, I will open a trade for an increase. The price is in the support zone. The zone is clearly visible, with many price reversals at this level. And the price has approached this zone from above, so I am opening a reversal trade that is for an increase. Euro, Swiss franc, I'm also opening a trade for an increase. The price has dropped to the support zone, and the zone is also well defined. We can see it clearly, reversals are visible, so I'm opening a trade for an increase. Euro, Australian dollar, I'm also opening a trade, though I was a bit late, I wanted to enter lower as well. We have a support zone with many reversals, but the entry point is not ideal. USD JPY, opening a trade for an increase. The local minimum is being tested, most likely there will be a false breakout now and it will probably return higher. This zone EUR JPY, I will also open a trade for an increase. There is a support zone on the chart, and it's clearly visible. There were price reversals, and quite sharp ones at that, and now there was also some kind of impulse towards this zone. I hope the price will reverse, so it's still possible to try opening a trade on the Canadian yen as well. Most likely this asset will move in the same direction as USD JPY and EUR JPY as well. Support zone. The zone is clearly visible and the trade is open. Basically 6 trades are open. Let's see what works out and what doesn't. So it's still too early to tell here. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, a small loss, nothing serious. Euro, Swiss franc is flat. Euro, Australian dollar is flat. Dollar, yen is flat. And euro, yen is showing a small gain so far. Well, let's wait. For now, it's much too early to talk about any results. The price hasn't moved at all. Apparently, asset prices involving the Japanese yen have started to rise. And that's good for me. I have as many as 4 trades open on these assets, out of 6 open trades. So there's a good chance that all of them will move, more or less in the same direction. And in that case, profit won't be long in coming. Here are the Euro Swiss franc and Euro Aussie trades. So far, both are in the red. Yes, and the decline is continuing a little. Let's refresh my memory. Yes, we have a support zone here. We can try to open 1 more trade each. And now that's definitely enough. 8 trades are open. We'll wait for the results. Trades are starting to close. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, 6 seconds. The price has come back pretty close to the entry point, but the trade should close in profit. Yes, a little higher. The trade. Turns out I don't understand why the Euro Swiss franc isn't rising. Apparently, both trades will close at a loss. Our Euro Aussie has gone up, but the Euro Swiss franc is just standing still. Well, actually, it's even falling. The first trade closes here at a loss. The Euro Aussie trade, 8 seconds left. This one should close in profit. Of course it should, but it's not guaranteed. But still, yes, the trade closes. So far, everything's not bad. Dollar, Japanese yen here. A confident price increase. We had a good entry point. Everything is great here. Another trade. Euro yen is bringing in profit. 11 seconds left. It should also be profitable, and most likely it will be. Let's wait for the close. 3 seconds left, and yes, everything is good here. So we have only 3 trades left. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, which will also be closing in about 15 seconds. And here too, there is a confident price increase, so in any case, this trading session is in the positive for me. I've already made a profit, now it's just a matter of seeing how big the profit will be. We have another trade closing, Euro Australian dollar, with 1.5 minutes left, and it's unclear how it will end. And Euro Swiss franc also has 1.5 minutes left. I still don't understand why the price isn't reversing here. Although by all logic it should have already, but I don't know how to control the market. I can only follow it. 15 seconds until our trades close. I got caught in the last minute by some wild impulse. That's exactly what I didn't expect. And the Euro-Australian trade will also close in the red. The price just won't have time to come back. There was a really sharp drop, so both trades close at a loss. As a result, out of 8 trades opened, we have 3 losing trades and 5 winning ones. But of course, the result could have been better, but that's how trading went today. If you're interested in learning how I find entry points in the market, you'll find links to educational materials in the description of this video. Everything is free, you don't need to register anywhere, just go in, read, and develop your trading skills. That's all from me, friends. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, and leave your comments. Wishing everyone successful trading. Goodbye to all.